Today we'll talk about how can you change language on your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on menu down here. When you just click here on menu, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on language settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. I have only here English in my language here. So if you have another language, you just change it from your device, then it's going to change with you here in your app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.